वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ड्रॉप शिपिंग 7 वेज टू मेक योर ब्रांड स्टैंड आउट। ड्रॉप शिपिंग के ज़रिए आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस करते हैं। And dropshipping is a business that has been around for many years, though its profitability and scale are often questioned by many. Regardless, the industry gives you a low-risk business model that can be very profitable if you know how to make money dropshipping. Despite the doubts raised on the potential of the industry, the global dropshipping industry is projected to reach $1670 billion in 2031. This shows just how big your dropshipping store could be if you are able to learn all the things that go into making it a successful venture. Other dropshipping merchants usually employ a few tricks that ensure their success in the market. This is why we bring you this blog that discusses all the steps you need to take to ensure that your online store starts making you a hefty profit. Dropshipping, a profitable business model. The dropshipping business model allows new entrepreneurs to basically start their businesses without a dime in their pockets. This unique opportunity does put your skills in marketing products and building customer loyalty to the test queue aggressively. Though because of this simplicity, you also get a lot of competition with other dropshipping business looking to establish themselves in the market. You also have to accept the thin margins that you will get because of all the effort put in by the third party supplier. Though, if you are able to offer products of great quality and market them well, then you should have no problem turning them into a profitable business. Despite dropshipping being around for so many years, there are still new businesses that have become widely successful in the market. 7 easy steps to start making money with dropshipping. As an online store owner, it is your duty to make your dropshipping business as profitable as possible. Though it is not always easy to find new ideas to do so, this is why you should follow the below given steps to boost the number of sales generated by your store. Number 1, pick the desired niche. To run a successful drop shipping business, you must first choose a niche that you can delve into without a lot of hassles or troubles. Such a niche is usually something that you are already passionate about, as it allows you to use your pre-existing knowledge about the subject. You must also see if your chosen niche has enough dropshipping suppliers to offer a diverse range of high quality products to consumers at reasonable prices. Picking a niche that you know the ins and outs of is crucial if you want to run a profitable dropshipping business. If you are having a hard time choosing what dropshipping niche to dive into, then you could conduct some market research of your own or read a blog about dropshipping business ideas. Choosing the right niche is the most important step. When you start a dropshipping business, decide your products and choosing what products to sell. Product quality should be of paramount importance. This is because it is what determines how well your customers like the product. If you fail to deliver a good product on your camera store, then you are not likely to have good customer retention. To find such high quality products, you will have to spend time looking at and comparing different third party suppliers to find the right fit. Ideally, the supplier or dropshipper has fast delivery times, great products, and a good profit margin for you. तो ड्रॉपशिपिंग के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हमने देखा आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।